Hello everyone, my name is Liisa Jõgisalu and I'm happy to be here and to present Estonian Entrepreneurship University of Applied Sciences to you. I'm truly honored to do it because I have been a visiting lecturer to this school for some years already, and now I'm full-time working there as international student counselor. So if you decide to come and study at our university, then I'm actually the first one that you will contact with. So why I'm so honored to talk about this school, it's because of the fact that I have been an entrepreneur most of my life myself, and I have never seen a school in my life who is actually teaching the things that you actually need in life. So where is this fantastic University of Applied Sciences located? It's in Estonia, Tallinn. I hope you know where Estonia is, and Tallinn is the capital of our country. And actually this school is really close to the airport. So you just step out of the plane and you're in few minutes, you are already there. And we also have a newly done or renovated student hostel where you can live. So it's really convenient for you to come to this country even for the first time and start studying immediately. But why is this school so important or so great to be at? It's not so old. It's established in 1992 and it's the largest private university in Estonia. And applied higher education and master's studies. So you have many programs where you can choose from where to study. But what makes it so special, it's rather the fact that we are really small, but focused and keeping our attention where it belongs. So it means that we are really, how to say, personal with students in a way that I'm really sitting down with students one by one. I just moved into my international small office. So there are really different issues that students are coming and approaching to me, whether they need to go to the doctor or they have some problems with some teachers or lecturers. And that's how we give our best to help them out. But what are the values? Of course, the school is responsible and caring, which seems like a normal thing to be. But what I love about it is that it's science-based and entrepreneurial. It means that you don't see so often entrepreneurs who are really good entrepreneurs, but also have the science background. And that's those two things combined gives you the best leader you can have. And if you compare to business owners, for example, one who has some science background and the other one who doesn't, then you can be quite sure that who will be more successful in few years' time. It's already, the attitude is different if you know what you're doing. If you have some studies to back it up and you know how to continuously develop yourself to become better and better, how to set goals, how to improve yourself as a person, as a human being. I believe that the mindset and the attitude are the things that make you actually the even more successful entrepreneur as the ones who don't have it. And this is the reason why I see this school so special and innovative, that they actually teach those values through the courses. And it's really open-minded school. So what are the programs at our school? We have some undergraduate programs like startup entrepreneurship, game design and development, creativity and business innovation, software development, entrepreneurship. And master's program is international business administration. So quite many cool and great programs to choose from. And if you visit our website, then you can look them up yourself and see more closely what they all include. But let's go through them a little bit at least. So startup entrepreneurship is an intense learning by doing curriculum where you will learn business building your own innovative company. So startups is something that Estonia is really well known. When I'm interviewing the students before coming here, then the main reason why they want to come to Estonia and to our school is the fact that we have so many startup companies, and not just startups, but they have actually turned out to be really huge. I believe, I don't know, transfer-wise with 500 employees. It's really good startup company. So we have something to teach, and this is the school that use a lot of experts from the field, not just lecturers who have been lecturers for, I don't know, 20, 30 years already and don't know anything about real life, but the school is inviting a lot of visiting lecturers to so the students get the real life experience and they actually study what's going on at the moment and what will happen in the future. So you will definitely have some great mentors from top startups companies while studying startup entrepreneurship. But game design and development is another interesting program. I was really surprised to see something so cool among our programs, and I see also a lot of Estonian students over there who are studying, and of course, I'm not surprised why it's so popular, because if you look at children or even youngsters, even 30-year-old people or men who are still playing a lot with games, then of course it's great if you have a place where you can actually study how to do it. So game design and development is a curriculum designed to provide skills for both mobile and PC games development, as well as starting up your own game company. Again, I was honored to be lecturer for this group actually, and it was fantastic to see so many different students from different backgrounds and different countries, and this group is really creative already because of the fact that they have different background, and I'm really interested to see what they will come up with during those years when they are studying with us. So game designer, who is a game designer? Is a core member of the team, of course, so it's important to learn how to work as a team or also as an individual. Is a specialist for developing great game mechanics and captivating gameplay, well versed in software development, computer graphics and business thinking. And what I saw is that some are really good in drawing, some are really good at programming, and that's why it's really great to see what they will come up with. Creativity and business innovation is a curriculum for aspiring entrepreneurs, product and service managers, and corporate leaders. If you look at our webpage, then you will see also more closely what those programs are about. But again, I have to tell it again, why is it so great to study at our school is that they are actually, or we are teaching the mindset, the attitude, the all the other things that I didn't see universities teaching before. And this is something that makes it really different school from others if I compare. So nearly a quarter of the curriculum comprises a real-life problem solving as a part of corporate internship in different European markets. So students are getting a lot of internship, which is something that they will actually learn from, how to run a business, or they also see it more closely how it's being run, and they can learn this problem solving while doing. And it's nothing worse, in my opinion, to start the company as just with a business paper or the school diploma, but no experiences. So it's another cool thing to see that we also have a lot of internships together with different companies. So software development and entrepreneurship is a new program we have, and we're really proud of it, and it's really popular, of course, to apply there. So software development and entrepreneurship, those two combined is something that I believe nobody else is offering. And this program is for you if you want to have the software development, design and teamwork skills to begin your career as a software developer in Estonia or anywhere in the world. This is also the program for you if you're looking for a solid foundation in IT and business upon which to build your own software company or startup. So it's not just to be a software developer, but it's rather from the angle that you will start your own company at some point. So the study program has been put together and is being taught with Estonians' leading software companies. Again, it shows you that it's a great school to come to because of the fact that the real people with real experiences are coming to teach you. International Business Administration is our MBA program, and it takes a cross-disciplinary approach to building a comprehensive understanding of the international business environment in which today's managers make business decisions. So the emphasis is put on leadership, entrepreneurial management and building a healthy organization. Again, as you see from those notes, that it's great to see that you don't just learn how to run a company, but again, the emphasis is put on the other things which are actually more crucial and important in real life in running a company, such as leadership and healthy organization. So if you have a lot of employees, it's quite important. Who are you as a leader? How do you run your business? Do the employees come to work with their happy face on, or they don't want to be there? So those kind of small things that nobody taught at the universities before are now being taught here. So 5 reasons to choose our University of Applied Sciences is so that you learn from experts, you learn by doing a lot of practical things. Definitely you create connections because of the fact that you have internships with other companies, you have many visiting lecturers, and you also have a huge group of international students from all over the world. And with contacts like this, you can make whatever out of your life, I believe. So one thing is that you know how to run a company, but it's really difficult to do it if you don't have any connections. You speak the language and you work through school. And one more thing that I actually forgot to mention is that you can study not only in English, but you can also study in Russian and in Estonian, of course. So many different programs to choose from. And again, location, location, location. Tallinn is one of Europe's startup hotspots, as I said in the beginning already. So a perfect location to take off with your ideas. And this is the reason Estonia becomes even more and more popular for young people to come here, to study here, to start their companies, as it is really easy to start a company in Estonia. And we are located as a school in the heart of Ülemiste city, which is really innovative, smart city. We actually had one Belgian group from Belgian University to come and visit us, and they were really surprised and blown away about all those things we have here, not just Estonia, but also what we have right now, but also where we are going. And of course, Ülemiste city is the best example ever to show what Estonia is, and to live here in our campus, to study there, and to be surrounded with really successful companies. Being close to airport is like really the Silicon Valley of the North, I believe. So how to apply? Fill in the online application form on our website or on DreamApply. Upload all the necessary documents. and I really do mean all the necessary documents, your passport, all your diplomas, grade sheets, and everything which is needed. So please don't forget anything and don't add any extra things which are not required. And then you will be hopefully shortlisted for the Skype video interview. So this is how the application has been done, and it's really great to have those video interviews from all over the world. So 1 minute you're talking with someone from Bangladesh, and the other minute you're talking with somebody from Nigeria or Canada, and you see how many great students are interested in coming to study at our university. So I truly suggest you to try it out. So thank you for your attention. And you can get my contacts from our school website, and you can also contact me directly. Thank you.